Thermostat's blank. Cooling is running non-stop. It's 61 in here. That's crazy. Here's the heat pump. It's everything is running. Fan, compressor, everything. Never mind, it's 59 in here. Let's see what happens when we pull this thermostat off. It shut off. Let's see if changing the batteries helps. Crazy that I just got stuck in cool mode. Yeah, that's all it was, is the batteries. Common wire is not hooked up. The blue wire is going to W. That could have prevented this from happening. Let's see. Fan. System is now responsive.